Hello dear students, welcome back to my class. So in this class I am going to continue the chapter the fundamental unit of life. So we were discussing about the cell, the fundamental unit of life. So dear students, in the last class we were discussing about the structure of the cell. Now moving with the next topic, we are going to discuss about plasma membrane or cell membrane. So our topic is plasma membrane or cell membrane. So dear students, what do you mean by plasma membrane or cell membrane? So we can say that it is, okay, consider it as cell. So this outermost covering of the cell is nothing but cell membrane. So this separate content of the cell from the outer environment. Understood? ये जो आउटसाइड का इसके एनवायरनमेंट को सेपरेट करके, मतलब ये जो अंदर का जो सेल का जो कंटेंट है उसको सेपरेट, मतलब लाइक प्रोटेक्ट करके रखता है. हु मीन्स विच पार्ट ऑफ द सेल? द सेल मेम्ब्रेन or the plasma membrane. And this plasma membrane allow the entry and exit of the materials in and out. Means like any materials can be allowed inside the cell and come out the cell because of this plasma membrane. So this plasma membrane allow the entry of the material in and also it helps to, मतलब मटेरियल इसके अंदर हेल्प्स टू आउट एंड मटेरियल इसके अंदर भी जा सकता बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन और इसके बाहर भी आ सकता. एंड ऑल्सो इट प्रिवेंट्स द मूवमेंट ऑफ सम मटेरियल्स, मतलब ये थोड़े मटेरियल्स को अंदर आने और थोड़े मटेरियल्स को बाहर जाने में भी अलाउ करता. एंड ऑल्सो थोड़े मटेरियल्स ऐसे हैं जिन्हें इनका मूवमेंट ही होने नहीं देता. So that is why this also known as selectively permeable membrane. Keep remember that, selectively permeable membrane. Okay dear student, how does the movement of, as I said, material or substances takes place in the cell? तो substances cell से बाहर कैसे जाते हैं? So students, there is a process known as diffusion. So some substances like carbon dioxide and oxygen can move across means from here, across the cell membrane. So because of this diffusion process, गैस जैसे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड या ऑक्सीजन होते हैं, they can move across the cell membrane. So dear student, in the last class we studied about the process diffusion. Yes, we saw that there is spontaneous movement of a substance from a region of high concentration to a region where its concentration is low. Yes. So in the same way, the similar thing happens in the cell. For example, substance like carbon dioxide, CO2. We all know that we excrete it out, which is a cellular waste. It is the waste product. That is why we exhale it out. Yes, हम बाहर छोड़ते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को, which accumulates the high concentration inside the cell. So I can say in the cell's external environment, बाहर का जो environment है, the concentration of CO2 is low. In the external environment of the cell, the concentration of CO2 is low as compared to the inside the cell. So inside the cell, the concentration of CO2 is high. So as we can see, there is difference inside and outside. Inside it is high, the concentration of CO2 is high, and outside of the cell the concentration of CO2 is low. So this is why CO2 moves out of the cell. Out of the cell means पहले वो अंदर होता है, अंदर क्या होता है, concentration will be high inside. So it moves out of the cell from the region where the concentration is high, then to a region where the concentration is low. Understood? Where concentration is low? Outside. By the process known as diffusion. In the same way, O2 enters the cell by the process of diffusion. When the concentration of O2 inside the cell decreases. So, because of this reason only, this diffusion plays a very important role in exchange of gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen. We breathe in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide because of this diffusion only. So dear students, in the same way, water also obeys the law of diffusion. And how? So there is a movement of water molecules through like such a permeable membrane which is known as osmosis. We studied just now selectively permeable membrane means it allows some of the materials and some of the material doesn't allow. मतलब थोड़े material को movement को होने देता, थोड़े material के movement को नहीं होने देता. So that is why it is selectively permeable membrane. So the water also obeys the law of diffusion, means movement of water molecules through this selectively permeable membrane is known as osmosis. So this movement is also depend on the amount of substance dissolved in water. मतलब पानी में कौन सा substance dissolve है, मतलब पानी कैसे टाइप का है, कैसा पानी है, उसके ऊपर भी depend होता है. Osmosis means that movement of water molecules. It happens across the plasma membranes. So students, that is why we can say that osmosis means the like movement of water. That osmosis is the passage of water from a region of high water concentration through a semi-permeable membrane to a region of low water concentration. So osmosis क्या है? It is the passage of water कहाँ पर? Through a semi-permeable membrane from the region of high concentration through, as I said, to a region of low concentration. So dear students, I'll continue explaining osmosis in the next class.